Hello everyone. Today I will be talking about an app that I have developed called Tweet Sentiment Analyzer. This video will serve as a guide as to how you can use the app. I will be giving a brief introduction about myself, talking about the app in detail, giving a demonstration, as well as some acknowledgements towards the end. So my name is Syed Hamza Raza. I am 19 years of age and I am currently in my first year of university studying computer science, doing a bachelor's degree. I am very interested in the field of AI as I feel that it will be very important in the future and it's a very fast growing field. I'm planning on becoming a computer scientist and AI will open a lot of new avenues for me. I expect this internship to be very beneficial for me in the future and vital to my journey. About the app, I chose this app as my final project for the internship. I wanted to work on this project as I personally find this topic and the involved process of data analysis very interesting. And this project can be practically used in society also in a very effective way. It can be an efficient tool in industry, in virtually any industry. And what it can do is identify and make predictions based on trends. For example, if a consumer or a user of a product was to give a review of a product on Twitter, and the company could use that tweet and analyze the sentiment and then develop a product strategy going forward. And to make this project, I incorporated the use of various libraries to create a front end and back end code for my project, along with designing a simple and attractive user interface using Python. How would I use the app? So what my app does is perform sentiment analysis, calculate sentiment percentages, and it renders a result with sentiment classification on the user interface. Now, how this process is started is the user would input a tweet or a CSV file in the text box that would be present on the user interface and click a button that would say generate. This would print our results in the output box along with the probability. Now this is a snapshot of what my app looks like. I'll be talking about the option where we can upload a CSV file. Now to do that, we can click on the browse button that would open our file explorer on our device. We can select a CSV file and press enter. Alternatively, we can also paste our file path into the text box. And we have to make sure that the file is in a CSV format containing all the tweets that can be hundreds and thousands. And the language of those tweets must be supported by NLTK. Then we would click on the generate button, and below we could view the sentiment classification along with the percentages. For the second option, we can paste a tweet. That we would click on the generate button, and that would give us our output in the box. This would not show any percentages. It is only one tweet with an overall sentiment. And of course, again, the language must be supported by NLTK. Those were some snapshots from my code, and now I can give you a live demonstration of my code running. Okay, so now I will be running the code. And here you can see that my app has opened. This is what my app looks like. This is the canvas that I have created. And here you can see two options, either to upload a CSV file or to enter a tweet. So now what we will first do is we will check the uploading the CSV file option. So here we click on browse, and that would open our file explorer. We would select a CSV file that is full of tweets and open it, and then we would click on the generate button. After a few seconds, as you can see, our output has been generated, and this is giving us a classification of 3 sentiments: positive, negative, and neutral, along with their percentage values for each, because it is a very large CSV file which contains a lot of tweets, so it gives an overall sentiment analysis based on those. Now for my second option, where we can paste a tweet into this box. For example, I will write something down. And I will click on generate. And as you can see, it gives me an output. and classifies that single tweet as positive. We do not need to give any percentage value. Now I can edit that same text, and now what it will do is it will give me a negative classification. And if I just change that again, this time it gives me a neutral classification. So that is how my app works. Now that you have seen how the app functions, uh, I would like to end by giving some acknowledgements. First of all, to everyone who helped me in this journey, my parents, my mentors who were there every step of the way guiding me, and obviously Dr. Ken Khan for providing me with this opportunity, and my group members whom I was able to learn a lot from. Thank you so much.